If you are new into my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please press the like button. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about split function in Excel. Split worksheet to view multiple distant parts of your worksheet once. To split your worksheet or window into an upper and lower part or into an upper and lower pane, execute the following steps. First, select a cell in column A. Then click on the View tab. Then click on the Split option. Here you can see two vertical scroll bars. Use the lower verticals for scrolling purpose, and you can see the first 5 rows are visible here. So likewise, you can also split your window vertically. First, I will show you how to remove the split. Just click in the split pane, double click here, and then if you want to split vertically, then press select cell A1 and then click on the View tab again and then click split. You can see that it's divided into vertically. Here you can see the scroll bar. Okay, so that's it for this video.